NextGen CarLabs in Edmonton is where passion meets precision in auto care. We're not your typical repair shop, and from the moment you walk in, you'll feel the difference. Our team focuses on doing things the smart way, not the guesswork way, using advanced diagnostic tools and real expertise to understand exactly what your vehicle needs. We specialize in advanced computer diagnostics, vehicle programming, and complex troubleshooting that many shops simply can't handle. Modern vehicles rely on software and electronic systems, and our goal is to identify the real issue the first time so you're not wasting time or money on unnecessary repairs. When we diagnose a problem, we diagnose it with accuracy, and when we fix it with confidence. Owner Guy and his team are committed to honest service and expert solutions. Whether it's routine maintenance, general repairs, or in-depth computer-related issues, we take the time to explain what's happening and what your options are. There's no upselling, no pressure, and no confusion. Just clear answers and quality workmanship from technicians who care about getting it right. From oil changes and brake work to advanced electrical and software diagnostics, NextGen CarLabs is built for drivers who want real results. We believe every customer deserves transparency and every vehicle deserves proper attention. That's why so many Edmonton drivers trust us to keep their cars safe, reliable, and performing the way they should. If you're looking for an auto repair experience that's modern, honest, and built around precision, visit us at 10760 178th Street NW in Edmonton. Discover the NextGen difference and drive away with confidence knowing your vehicle was handled by the experts at NextGen CarLabs.